Jesus, just to speak the precious name of Jesus. Seek a place to hide, the weeping of my heart subside. What a comfort just to know I can speak His name again.
Jesus, just to speak the precious name of Jesus. May that every spoken word I cried aloud